Alright, everyone. I'm in the beginning of the game. Let me show you guys the map. You see, I don't have anything unlocked. Alright, look. Shit. Hold on. I have nothing unlocked. And look, my whole map is still locked. I'm already level 30. Have all my skills. Let me show you the skills. You know what I'm saying? Look. Check that shit out. Got them skills up there. Alright, and you guys about to witness me reach tier 1 very fast.
Time to earn your pay, people.
Alright?
Put
So
on
we're
your
gonna
game faces.
get on this
I
vehicle
tell you, I'm
here.
not too comfortable working with Pakatari and these rebels. Their kind of ideology always ends up with more bodies in the ground. What's your feeling on this op, Nomad?
End of the day, this is a revenge mission.
Let me go activate tier 1 right now.
We need to focus and get this done quick before we get stuck between local politics
Oh,
and the
fuck it, we
firestorm
should
of
go
cartel
off-road.
bullets. First
Not
objective, track down that Santa Blanca lieutenant so we can find Amaru.
Ooh,
Jesus. You know what? Better yet, I got one even better. I teleported.
we got hostiles in the area.
Alright. Look at that. Just like that, I start going through this. Look how accurate. From right here. Look how accurate. I'm going to get a headshot on his ass. Or at least try. Oof.
Looks good. Come on.
Don't want to spook the target. Switch to suppressors. Got eyes on the target. Let's move. Just spotted one with submachine guns. Spotting another tango.
Any kind of XP I get, man, that's a whole tier right there. Any form of XP. Undetected headshot. That's a guy in there too.
Got another tango. Quédate quieto.
Pinche cabrón.
Here's the deal, asshole. You answer my questions, or I put a bullet in your gut and leave you to die in your own shit. ¿Lo entiendes?
Chill the fuck out, cabrón. What do you want?
Amaru, where can I find him?
You serious? That's what this is about? Sure thing. He's at Atoya Farm. Go on. Then you can see what we do to people who fuck with us. People like you.
We need to get this done in a hurry. Amaru's an old man. He's not gonna last long under torture.
Shit, if they've been working on him for a while, there's a good chance he's already dead. Maybe, maybe not. Amaru's a major player in the rebel movement. The cartel will keep him alive as long as they can to find out what he knows.
We can't afford to take any chances. There's too much riding on this. Let's move.
Look at that. Already tier 35.
Got another tango. Let's get moving. The cartel isn't gonna wait around for us to track down and rescue Amaru.
Fuck, we're made.
Yeah, they don't see me. Yeah, enemies cannot see me neither. I can just walk up right in front of them. They won't see me.
We'll leave a marker so the rebels can pick up the supplies
Clear.
later.
The Sicarios have found the escaped prisoner in the village of Culta. What a wonderful name for a town.
Yo, we got hostile farm. Remember, a lot of these Sicarios are ex-military.
ID your targets. If Amaru gets killed by a stray round, Operation Kingslayer will get in the water before it even starts. Let's go. Tango marked, but he's got a civilian nearby.
Okay, we
got a Sicario. There, in the barn.
I see a second
A
target.
senior rebel leader named Amaru has been captured by the cartel. Interrogate a Santa
baby
Blanca
makes three.
lieutenant for Amaru's location, then go and extract him.
Ah shit, we've been spotted.
I know there's more people here. I see you. Oop. Fucking potato aim, man. You know what? Fuck you.
Sé que alguien me escucha,
Damn.
cabrones. Sé que están ahí. Así que escuchen bien.
I apologize if you guys hear my house phone. Yeah, my house phone is ringing. Hey, look at these guys. They would have killed me, man.
Entiendan. Carajo. Agarraron a la persona que no debían. Exijo que me saquen ahora mismo de aquí. ¡Bestias!
Man, they're gonna be pissed when they figure out they're living in the wrong place. Clear on this side.
Look at that. Looking tier 9. About to complete the first mission.
Are you Amaru?
What's left of him anyway?
Come on, we're getting you out of here.
Oh, by the way, guys, I don't use ammo.
¿Qué tal?
I'll pilot.
I'm good to go.
Where are you taking me?
Back to your friends.
Entonces Pacatari has made his deal with the malditos extranjeros, the young fool.
Take it up with him, senor.
I gotta extract this guy. Extract them out.
This is it. Check it out. Weapons case.
you hurt? Santa Blanca is not the most gracious of hosts. These Aucas, these demons, they had questioning me. Let us say, their talk of love was enough to make me vomit. But their methods were not...
Were their names Yuri and Polito?
Sí, Yuri Polito.
These are the fucks that tortured Ricky Sandoval while Sueño questioned him. I want them bad.
We only saw run-of-the-mill Sicarios when we freed Amaru.
But I haven't seen Yuri and Polito in at least 3 days, maybe 4. I don't know where they are now.
We need more intel.
We'll search every village and camp until we find something.
Somebody's gotta know something. Gather documents, hack computers, interrogate hostile lieutenants, talk to civvies, whatever it takes.
We'll turn over every rock.
Damn.
Heads up. Bowman's file on Yuri and Polito is coming through.
I'm gonna switch my weapons. Look at it. Maximum damage. I'll take out anything with this gun. Let's see here. Why not? Let's see. Jesus Christ.
That's the rundown on Yuri and El Polito. They're a key part of Santa Blanca's security operation. Remember to check out Bowman's briefing on their chain of command.
Guy in charge of security is El Muro.
Let this dude sit and look at
bodyguard
that.
and childhood friend to El Sueño. El Muro's little brother is La Plaga. Nasty piece of shit. Very active on social media. Head Sicario for the cartel.
The hunt starts now. We want Sueño, we gotta work our way up the hierarchy. First targets are Yuri and Polito. We find the intel, we track them down, we take them out. It's a Santa Blanca commendation. Those Sicarios will be missing this.
And that's that. Look at that in the beginning. Tier 1.
Okay, we're cool.
I'm gonna end this video for now. I'm gonna keep uploading videos on this game. I figured I'd play through the entire story. I'll keep you guys posted.